Hello and welcome to this inaugural edition of Innovations at Work series. Today we are at the Chikkara University and I am standing in along with three young innovators and who have thrown up a challenge in front of the Honorable Governor of Punjab, Honorable Shri Shivraj Patil ji. Punjab has been a land of throwing up challenges to the establishment of the day, and today this challenge has been thrown in form of an applied innovation. So these young guys have created a panel, a whole solar panel, which the challenge they have given across that they will replace the solar street panels across the city of Chandigarh at a very competitive pricing, very competitive cost, and a lot of innovations they have brought in. So I have with me Abhinav, who is a first year mechanical engineering student at the Chikkara University. So Abhinav, what is all unique about this fantastic pole you have created?
Everything about this pole is unique, right from the materials to the electronics. We have a brilliant team where we have the electronics students and we all work right under the support of Chikkara Incubator. So starting from the pole, this material is unique. Till now the materials that have been used are trivial. The GI pipes that rust over time and they are not reliable. They are hard. So what we have used is aluminium composite material. This is cheaper than aluminium but more reliable and more flexible, and this is readily available. The next best advantage is the design. The fixing of the upper part of the pole is also unique because that is also done after continuous testing on a software from Dassault Systems, CATIA, that we know exactly at what angle the minimum force will be applied to break this, the minimum torque will be applied to break this. So in putting up in simple words, just by the research that we are doing in the software, we come to know beforehand that at what point it will break, how much force shall I apply at the top point after which it will break, and how reliable it is. So we do the testing on the software. After that we have made this. So this is 100% reliable. We know that after applying 100 kgs of load at the top, only then it will break. So these are the things that we come to know beforehand.
So this is as far as the mechanical design of the whole pole is concerned. What more in the electronics you have put it across?
Yes. So in electronics we are wondering that when we have poles, electric street lamps, now it's okay you need a lot of light during the just beginning of the night time, maybe 7 o'clock to 12 o'clock. But what is the use of so much light between 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock in an institute or maybe a school or maybe a colony? People are not there on the roads. So what we do is we do a very intelligent system. In this system what we do is if there is a person nearby, there is a human being sensor. After 2 o'clock this thing will be dimming, the light will be dimmed, maybe to 60% of the light will be reduced. The moment there is a person in a periphery of maybe 10 meters, there is a PIR sensor in this, so the moment the person comes in that periphery, automatically the light is increased. So that is the way it works. We are doing an intelligent system that thinks itself.
So you factored into some intelligent software out there. And what about, we are seeing that in the conventional pole there is a battery box out there, and in your design we haven't anything out here.
Yes.
So it is something more unique, or it is still under processing?
It is already developed. The amazing part is that in conventional lamps use lead acid batteries. They're good. They're actually good because lithium batteries are very expensive. But recently, we have, according to our latest studies, there is a latest battery that has come up that is LiFePO. It's basically a battery that is as compact as lithium, but it's cheaper. So what we have done is, the best part is the battery is right inside the pole.
Okay.
So that battery not only gives the power but also provides the added strength to the pole at the points where the torque is high. The braking torque is high. So we are using the battery as strength as well as the power.
So what was your exact challenge to the Honorable Governor yesterday in your meeting with him?
Yes, so Honorable Governor told us that there have been a lot of lamps that are coming up and they are all coming from the foreign countries. We are not able to develop these technologies, but because we are just still sticking on the old things, GI pipes, welding, etc. See, I'm not discouraging this, but we should move ahead with technology. So what I told Honorable Sir is that we can actually do it. We have the team, we have the spirit. So that was the challenge to develop it in-house in India and as good as the previous one.
So these are probably one of the most aspiring and innovative young geniuses who have taken up a applied problem and a challenge and want to make India self-reliant in at least fabricating and constructing these solar street panels in-house. So somewhere it seems that the innovation ecosystem at this university, which encourages such young innovators to have fabricated this pole within 24 hours. They had a meeting with the Honorable Governor yesterday. And today we are standing at 2:30 in the afternoon and the pole is ready for demonstration. So this is really fantastic and really encouraging, and probably India is really going on the curve where young innovators like them would help to reduce India's current account deficit by reducing the importing of large number of things which we can produce out there in-house, in our universities, and with our spirited young manpower.